Hey everyone, I'm on Ginny.com. So I want to talk about Ginny.com and its credit card, Ginny's credit card. So as you see, the main page is really easy to use and colorful, I think. And firstly, I want to give you information about Ginny's credit card. As you see, there are some payment experience examples here. So, for example, if you buy up to $100, you can pay only $10 per month, and if you buy up to $200, you can pay only $20 per month. And if you and it's there, I think it takes 10 months, yes. And if you buy up to $400, you can pay only $25, and I think it is um, 4 and 16 months, I think. So, and I think you will really like using Gain's credit card because it has many benefits. For example, with monthly payments from $10, it is easy to get what you deserve and keep your payments low when you order again. And it is really fast and friendly, so they give you credit like a trusted friend from your family to you and yours. So there is no big bank hash list here, and you are in control. With on-time payments, you will earn a higher credit limit at Guinness and build your credit score too. So, and applying this card is really easy. So you can just um, click already have an account or shop now button here. So the first thing is that you need to place your order and ask for Guinness credit card at checkout, and then you need to answer a few simple questions, and then you get an answer fast. So it's really good, and it has really benefits for customers. So I hope you can have Guinness credit card. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. See you next videos. Bye bye.